Hey guys, so it is day 2. It's actually gonna rain all day today, so I'm not going to work on the van today. If I drill a hole in it, it's gonna start raining and then rust. So I'm not willing to take that risk. But see, now my dad, he has this large man cave right here. And I wanted to put it right in there, but my dad didn't want me to because he has to move his big excursion. He wanted me to put it somewhere else that is under. So my stepbrother came home. He's gonna help me, you know, guide me, whatever. And we were trying to get it under there. We really thought it was gonna fit. It didn't fit. It scraped that edge right there. See, it was supposed to fit under here. Oh, that's a min. So we're gonna wait till it dries, and then tomorrow we're just gonna go ahead and back it out and put it back to where it was. All right, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So this is the 3rd day. We didn't work on it yesterday because it was raining. We're gonna hope to start on the floor today, but we might do the fans today because it's actually not supposed to rain today. So we might just do that. Anyways, I got my van out over here. It is just an absolute mess. I barely got it out. Barely got it out myself. And this neighbor girl was watching the entire time with her dogs. I'm like, I got this, bro. I got this. I almost got stuck, but we gooch. Anyways, here we go. Hey guys, so I got my wood. Look at this. Okay, it's pretty cute. It's got like little leather in it. Anyways, we're going to go to the mall. I'm gonna get some new bras and eat some food because I'm starving. Alright guys, we are back at it. So it's actually really sunny out right now. Can you see this? So we're gonna go ahead and just do the fans. I'm actually really excited because I actually did a lot of research on it, and I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. We're using a cutter thing. There's a word for it, but I don't have a word for it. I'll show you it. There's no worries. Anyways, okay, this is our floorboarding. Hopefully it's enough. Alright guys, so I think the first thing we need to do is oh, Louie! Get your ass down! Louie! 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 What am I gonna fucking do? Nope! Hey guys, so I'm just getting the fan out. This is taking a lot longer than I thought, but it's cool. It's kind of exciting though. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the fans. We're gonna do one. So let's go through everything that we need. I got my little notebook. First off, measure. So I'm also going to put my solar panels up. So I measured them, and I'm putting in 2 fans, one in the front and one all the way in the back, and I need to make sure there's enough room in the middle for all my solar panels. And so just measure, 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 or draw a little diagram like I did. So let's see, let's go to my little fan notebook here. First thing, you need the fan. You need the fan. That's a given, but some people forget. A pencil, we need primer when we make the cut, after the cut. Make it clean. Oh, we also need a metal file. I need to go grab that. Scotch tape, while you're cutting it, you can prevent vibrations. Screws for the fan. You also need drill bits of all sizes. Well, at least the small sizes. And then, so I'm not using a jigsaw. I'm not using that. My older brother says, don't use it, use this. So this is let's see what the hell this is. Does it have a name on it? I don't know. It cuts metal very well. So this thing just spins really fast. Oh, I need an electric cord too to use it. and it's gonna be able to cut it. There's gonna be a lot of sparks flying, and so I have glasses for me and a mask and gloves, and I think we should be good. I might put on a hoodie real quick just to protect my skin. No, I think I'll do that. I got this off of Amazon. Okay, butyl tape. Get the expensive stuff, hurt the cheap stuff. No bueno. Need a drill. And then you also need lap sealant to seal it down. And then you also need your template. So, the size of the fan, 14 by 14. It's particularly simple. I could even make the corners less. There's a lot of wiggle room because there can be a little bit of space there where it catches. I think that's all we need. And then you need a ladder to get everything up there. First step is use this. Get a center, know your center. I just put 2 lines and then I put a hole there. Just find where you want it. So I'm gonna put mine right here. And then I want you to just make a dot. I already put a dot. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your drill. Get a drill with a tiny little bit, first step. And after you mark your hole, I just want you to drill a hole. Wow, this is my first hole in the van. This is not nice. Ah! This is pretty bad. It's not doing it. I did it! Fuck you, man. Fuck you all that didn't believe in me, I guess. And then do the same thing for your other fan if you have to. Let's get everything to the top. Okay, so you want to get your template, find your hole, what you made, and now you need to pencil. I'm just going to stick it through the hole, try to find the hole. Okay, now I'm going to make sure it's straight, and then trace. There we go, I got your template. Okay, and you're going to drill pilot holes on each of the corners. Just on the inside of the corners. You know, you don't want to go further out than your line. No hole past the line. So, go ahead and get our drill. Now that that's done, and usually when you have a jigsaw, you make a pilot hole big enough for the jigsaw to get through. Now we're not doing that. We're using this. Okay, so we got there. Next step, woo! Next step will be, let's go ahead and clean the edges with a metal filer, which is somewhere around here. Okay, so next we need to get butyl tape. Okay, your butyl tape here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and put it around all the edges. And for these small, when it goes under, I'm just gonna go ahead and stack up the butyl tape. Can you see that? I'm gonna go ahead and stack up the butyl tape so it gets all a flat surface. Okay. Alright, we got all our butyl tape done. Go ahead and put this thing on. The metal pieces should be to the side. Okay, next step is you need your drill. You see these little holes around here? We're gonna go ahead and make pilot holes for the screws. Ah, my butt itches so bad. Okay, so here's the problem. Let me see. Right. Oh God. So here's my hole, but it's hitting this edge here. It's gonna do it here too. It's like right on the point where it won't go through, but it will push it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and use the thing that I cut with and just try to shave this down. Hopefully that'll fix the problem. We don't come along with other problems, because all the other ones do not come anywhere near that thing. Here we go. Okay. Alright, did the best I could. It's not pretty, it's just not. I try to just scooch it back. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with primer and probably shave it down too, and then see if I can get those holes in. Of course, there's obstacles. There's always obstacles. It always takes longer than you think, and that's okay. Okay, we're back. Pilot holes, here we come. I would say just do it really quick and pull it out really quick. Put all your pressure all at once. This is a real learning curve right now. It's only the first one. A lot of fuck ups in this process. Alright, fuck those pilot holes. We don't need that shit. Okay, best thing to do is go from one side to the other. So I would say do all four corners. And then kind of move over. Just push it. Okay, except you gotta make sure the fan fits. Open it up with the knob. It just opens it up. Okay. Bring these wires out. Sure, those are out. On there. Woo! Alright, we lap sealant out of it. To be honest, looks pretty messy. Never works, right? Now we gotta put the fan on. Alright, I got one! Woo! Okay, so here's the fan installed. I put some lap sealant around the screws, and then I'm actually gonna grab some and just put it on the edges of where the metal hits the fan, and then we'll be done with our first fan. And we'll be done for the day. Cutting metal, there's a lot of metal shards. Oh, God, stop touching my eyes. On the ground right now, and the ceiling. Just go ahead and grab a brush or a vacuum or something and just get all that shit out. Like, you don't need to leave it in here. It's gonna rust. It's gonna get bad. Okay, yeah, I ended up putting it all the way around because there were just holes. Got a few things to do this weekend, so I will be back at it on Monday. Love you guys.